Hi, I'm Dr. David Clark. Kashana traveled to my office from another state because she was interested in the Bioclear method to conservatively treat her broken lower teeth and her thinning, chipping upper teeth. She also wanted her black triangles treated. Here Kashana is before and after with her new smile. Open wide. So we can just wrap. Open and close, open and close. Can we get a new bib for her, please?
Here's a mirror for you. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, they look so amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's a lot of work, wasn't it?
It was so much work. Oh my god, but it is worth it. I'll have these teeth for another 80 years.
Yes, that's the
And
plan.
I'll be
That's the
120
plan.
when I go.
120,
They
yeah,
will
yeah,
last,
yeah.
right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes,
great.
ma'am.
Oh my gosh, they look amazing. Thank you so much. Thank
How do
you.
they feel?
They feel amazing. So you know that bite guard you give us to bleach?
Yeah.
I wanted the back of my teeth to feel that smooth, and they
Yeah.
do.
Isn't that a great
Yeah,
feeling?
it's so great. They look amazing. Everybody's gonna want to get it now. I told you my sister-in-law and my mother-in-law are coming. Yay,
Okay,
thank you so
you're
much.
welcome.
So this is what my tooth looked like before. Both of these two middle bottom teeth have been repaired many times, actually. And when I was pregnant, this broke off, and I wasn't able to get it repaired right away, so I was living with that for quite a while. And
How long had you had the chipped tooth?
so that broke when I was 7 months pregnant, so my son is now 14 months.
Okay.
So I lived with that for quite a while. I'm so excited to have it fixed. I was embarrassed to smile because I had always had perfect teeth until, I could get these fixed every now and then, but
How many times have those been repaired?
these, let's see, so twice on this tooth and once on this tooth, I think. Or maybe you saw a lot more striation
Actually,
in
it was
this
over
one.
here, but yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So this has been repaired how many
Oh, yeah,
times?
you can see. So this one, I think, twice, and that one, what do you think? There's so many different levels. 2 or 3 times, I guess, on that.
Shashawn, I want you to take a look at this dental magazine, okay? This is another way to treat teeth like yours, okay? It's porcelain laminates, and they're milled in a machine, and I want you to just take a look at the article. The article is right here. Got a little orange tab. So it's predictable in-office results, and there's a woman with teeth not too dissimilar from yours. Really, the teeth were all pretty nice looking.
She has some decay there, and she has
Just one of
those
those?
triangles there.
But overall, the teeth are really quite healthy. And let me show you what the doctor did next. Go ahead and turn the page.
Oh my God. Why did he do that? What is that? Why are they all filed down to points?
Because that's what we used to do.
Oh my, look, her tooth is missing. Oh my Lord. That's terrible. So he had to do all that, he thought, to get them like this?
And that's what most dentists are still doing. And that's what we were trained to do.
Oh my God. Well, I'm glad I didn't go to this dentist. That's horrific.
Yeah, that's about 50% of the tooth has been ground away to make room for the porcelain.
Oh my God. That poor woman. I mean, her smile looks great now, but oh my Lord. I don't want to look at that again.
Okay, we'll put that
That was
away.
scary. That's kind of Halloweenish.
All right. As if anybody was thinking about the options of doing porcelain veneers for chipped and
Oh,
teeth like
absolutely
this, or
not
the Bioclear
porcelain.
method.
Yeah, not porcelain veneers. I mean, like I said, I've had these teeth repaired several times, and I know that I won't have to have them repaired again. And so, if you're going to do it, just do it once and fix it permanently, and
Okay, now,
have them last. So Bioclear, absolutely.
So if there was teeth with a chip, or do you have any problem, we've banked a lot of tooth structure. In other words,
Right.
if we have to come back, and someday we may have to come back, okay?
doubt it.
20, 30, 40 years.
I doubt it.
It's possible. If we have to come back, we have so much tooth because you know what? We didn't cut your teeth down.
Right, we didn't grind them down into points like that woman in the article.
Yeah, this is called additive dentistry. Are you okay with additive dentistry?
I'm all for additive dentistry.
What do you think about amputative dentistry?
I think it should be banned.
So, I mean, worst case, we could restart a tooth with Bioclear 7, 8, 9, 10 times over your lifetime because
Really?
almost all the natural tooth is still there. Okay? And that's a little more work for the doctor. But would you recommend that doctors...
Absolutely, without a doubt. I was just listening to a podcast about some ideas that should be retired. And I think that the idea of the dentistry that you showed me should be retired and that Bioclear should be the new norm going forward.